welcome to My Messy Blessed Life. My name is Denise, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it. So for today's video, I am going on a little hunt for some Christmas DIY crafts for pretty much anything bargain Christmas. So I am going to Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and I do have to go to Micheals to pick up some of my DIY supplies. And so I will just bring you guys along on my mommy day out. I do have to go run a few errands, and then I will go to all those stores depending on my time. I hope I get it all done and we don't have any tantrums, because I will be taking my two boys along with me. So stick around and let's go shopping. Okay, so our first stop is Office Max. I have to fax some paperwork out. Oh, what's the matter, baby? What's the matter? I have to fax some paperwork out, and that is, let me see if I can show you. Office Max is right there, and I do have to go to Joann's, which is right there. So I just parked in the middle so I can get everything done. And our first fussiness of the day has started, so let's see how the day goes. Who's that? Dale? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, let's go shopping. Okay, so our next stop is Dollar Tree and possibly Micheals. They're right next to each other. Let me see if I can show you. Micheals is literally right there. I'm parked right there. And Dollar Tree is right there. So they're right next to each other. So I am going to try to see what is at both of them and get home. Is that yummy? So I can get home and show you guys exactly what I was able to purchase. Of course, I did have to stop and get myself a pick-me-up, a matcha green tea, and Matthew loves his birthday cake pop. So I had to do that. So now I am going to get down and let's see what we find at the Dollar Tree. I did come to a Dollar Tree that's like a little further than my usual Dollar Tree spot, because this one's bigger, so hopefully there's more here. There was quite a bit of Dollar Tree items that were already pre-made, but I was looking for more crafting and they didn't have anything for crafting. Hey guys, so we are back from shopping around all day today. I went to 5 stores and I went to 2 Dollar Trees, and I don't know if my area is horrible at Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree needs to get it together because they have a very small selection of Christmas decoration, and I've seen other Dollar Trees that have a lot more. I don't know what's going on with mine. I went to 2 of them here locally and no luck. Very few selection. I did see that they did have boxes out, so I'm guessing within the next week or so they should have all of their Christmas stuff out, hopefully, and I'll go back and pick up some more DIY crafting that I can do and show you guys. So for the first store that I will be showing you guys the items that I picked up today, quick thing, my camera is showing me looking extremely white. I don't know why. I've already tried messing with the color and it just shows me pale white, so I don't know why it's like that, but we'll just go with it. So the first store that I went to was Joann's, and I went there because I wanted to pick up on my crafting glues and just see whatever crafting things that they had that I could pick up on. So I did pick up just 3 greeneries. They were, I think, 60% off. This one was $2.99. This one was $1.99. And this one was $1.99 also. So 60% off of these. And then I did pick up some sponge brushes or foam brushes. These were, I think it was $1.99 for 3 of them. Some Mod Podge. Of course you need Mod Podge for crafting. And I did break a nail, so bear with me. and some pliers for floral shears. These were a little bit pricier, but you know, you always need these when you're cutting any floral stuff. And E60 glue. If you hear my baby, he's here, so. And if you hear my toddler, he's in his room. E60. And I needed more hot glue sticks. And then I did go to Micheals after I went to Joann's. And jingle bells. These were $6, but they were discounted 40%. Santa sign, just a little pick. You can just put it into some greenery wreaths or even your Christmas tree. I'm going to go through this as quickly as possible. And all of these were 40% off. Glitter all over. Matthew saw these and he really liked them, so I got one for one of my boys. This one's for him, for Matthew. He picked this one for himself, and he picked this one for his baby brother. And I also did see these at the Dollar Tree, but the quality from Dollar Tree and the quality from Micheals is, you know, it's a pretty big difference. If you want to just do something that you can keep in display, I would go with Micheals. If it's something you just want to do for crafting with your kids and maybe throw it away, I would go with Dollar Tree. That way you save like $1, depending how many kids you have. You know, it starts adding up. But I do plan on keeping these, putting them in my tree or something, but I plan on keeping. So that was my Micheals little haul. And for Dollar Tree, like I said, I did the best that I could with what I had to pick from, and let me show you. I will be doing some DIYs using these two, and I got this idea from a YouTuber that I saw here on YouTube. I don't remember her name, but I will try to link her if I can find her down below. She does really good crafting also, and of course I want to give her the credit if I got an idea off of her. One little bird that I will need for my crafting. If you hear Noah, he just wants a snack. I've already gave him some, but he loves to eat, so little elf feet. Candy canes. I did find these pretty interesting. They are nutcrackers and they are plastic, but I thought they looked pretty good. They look really well. They don't look cheap or anything. They look really good. And I did get three of these, and I did get some Christmas ribbons. So for my outdoor Christmas ribbon, I don't mind using Dollar Tree, any dollar ribbon, because it's outside and might get sun damage anyways. Here in California, the sun is always shining, so I might get some sun damage on my outdoor stuff, so I don't mind using dollar ribbon. And here are the 4 that I purchased. I do want to get more ribbon, but probably from maybe Micheals if I go again. They were a bit pricey when I went, so I don't know if I'll purchase them there. Maybe I'll hold out and wait for Costco or Sam's Club so I can buy it in bulk and use it there. The thing that I was really happy about that I did find was when I was checking out, there was only one little truck left, just one. They had no more. This was all that they had. So I am happy that I was able to at least get one for a DIY. And their floral was not the best. like I said, not everything is out yet. So this was all that I purchased, again, for DIYs, and that is it that I was able to purchase. I did go to Dollar General, but by the time I parked and I looked back, my boys were sleeping, and I did not want to get them out because I knew they would be extremely cranky and they would not let me shop. So I will do another vlog with Dollar Tree and Dollar General so I can see what I was able to pick up there, and I hope I can show you guys more. So my house is still full on fall. It's still fall here in my home, but here on my channel I am starting to transition over to Christmas. I may not be super crafty throughout the whole year, but when it comes to Christmas time, I love crafting. There's something about Christmas that I just love to craft. That's the time of year where I just feel super inspired, super crafty, and so you guys are going to get a lot of DIYs coming from me. Some very simple, extremely simple, some that you can do with your kids, some that are more over the top. There's going to be a variety. So if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing because you are going to get a lot of DIY inspiration if you are a crafter yourself. And if you are not a crafter, you are also going to get a lot of inspiration on how to decorate your home for this year's Christmas. And a lot of Christmas cleaning, a lot of winter cleaning I will be showing you guys. So that is it for this haul, and I have the first DIYs that I will be doing will be wreaths. So I will do one outdoor wreath, and then I will do one big indoor wreath, big outdoor wreath, one big indoor wreath, and 2 mini wreaths for inside. So you are going to get a bit of inspiration for any Christmas wreaths that you have, and then we'll take it from there. So I hope you guys stick around, turn on your post notifications, that way you know when my next video will come out. I will still be uploading fall DIYs or fall decorations, anything like that, but I am going to start transitioning over to Christmas time. So stick around, guys. I have a lot of crafting, a lot of cleaning, a lot of organization coming up for you guys in a few weeks. Everything's going to come in and inspire you all. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around. Bye. My kids are getting crazy, so I gotta go. Bye. Make sure you go and follow me over on my Instagram account. I will be linking it down below. Whenever I am not uploading here on YouTube, I am staying active over there and uploading inspiration for cleaning, organization, and recipes for cooking. Go ahead and follow me, and I will see you guys over there.
If you like this video, click on the comments down below. Bye bye for now.